Hi, thank you for holding on to the concluding part of this tutorial, the simple text animation. If you just catching this video, please check in the description below and go to the first part of this video. And if you are new here, feel free to subscribe, support us, show us love, like the video and share. That way we can be encouraged to do more. Thank you. Let's go to the concluding part of this video.
Let's unhide this our text layer. On this layer I'm going to need the G, so let's remove that, except if we're also going to scale this up to about 1. Let's see what we have on this. So we have to make sure the font size are the same. Okay, this is 199. Let's see if we scale this up to 199 how it's going to be. Let's copy this, Ctrl+C, then paste on this, and this is what we have. So let's reduce change some properties of the text. Let's put it back to 0. Let's go. This is okay. Now let's also align this properly. Good. So what we want is this text to slide to this point, revealing the undo key to make it spell Gandoki. So this is what I'm going to do now. I am going to animate the G. I'm going to animate the G from here. So select the P property, hit P on your keyboard to bring out the position, set a keyframe, then from here to the 2-second point we're going to move this to this direction. So what we're going to do now is make sure this align properly with the remaining text so that it will center properly. So let's hit P on the keyboard also for the second text and make sure this centralized properly. I think we still need to move the G a bit to the left. Okay, yeah, right about there is okay. I'm going to also move this close there. This is fine. Then how do we make this come out of the G as it slides to the left? So we're going to create a mask layer to mask the remaining text. Let's unselect any layer, pick the shape tool, the rectangle tool is okay, change the fill to any color will do, then remove the stroke color. This is fine. Now drag. There are so many techniques one can use. You can add text to the property, the opacity property, and make it look as if it is typing out. So this should be better. So now deselect all layers. I'm going to combine the mask technique with this. Deselect all layers, select the rectangle tool. We already set the fill color to any whatever color you want. So bring your layer here, drag over the second text from here till you have it covered. Quickly on keyboard, let's name this to mask text. So let's move it just above the remaining of the text. On the track mat, set your track mat to alpha on the track mask of the text, set the track mask to mask text. Here we go. So let's see what we have now. So what I can do now is to animate the mask shape to follow the G from here. I'm going to bring up the position, move here. We should have at this point the full movement, bring it backward. At this point, move it on the X axis. So easy is the keyframes. Let's see what we have now. Good. This is looking a bit better. You can see the text is now like it is coming out of the G because of these simple corrections. All right now. So now select all the text, select all this, click compose, name it title if you want. Good. This is what we have now, simple but very unique. So what I'm going to do now is move this backward a bit. From here, I'm going to move it backward. Let's make the entire animation 5 seconds. Now hit S to bring out the scale value. To this point, I'm going to scale it to about 80. Let's see what we have. 75 should be fine. Yes, that's okay. Easy is the keyframes. There are a lot of things you can do to add beauty to this. You can decide to add let me add a fill. I want, as the text moves back, the color changes. Okay. Drag and drop on the top. What I did here is I duplicated the pre-composed, that is the pre-composed title. Then as this moves back from here, I'm going to make it turn white. So let's add keyframe on the color, on the transparency, on the opacity. Move this to about this point here, then bring this down to 0. Change the color to whatever color you want. I'm going to change mine to white in this case, a bit gray. So when you play this now, you have this. Let's change it to deep purple instead. Let's see what we have. Good. I think this is fine. So that is, guys. Please, if you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can drop your question on the comment below. If there's any tutorial you want me to show, or show you how to make on After Effects or Cinema 4D, comment below, and I'm going to see how I'm going to bring out that tutorial so we can keep learning. So thank you guys. That is all. Keep subscribing, keep watching out for tutorials from otarmedia.net. You can also check our website for goodies and some freebies of templates that we created